loves to play in the sun all day, hooray! Jumping in the muddy puddles, splashing big with all her cuddles. George is there with his toy, Mr. Dinosaur is his joy. They laugh and run, having fun, playing outside in the sun. Peppa loves to sing, twirl around and do her thing. She giggles loud, she skips so high, with friends and family by her side. Mommy Pig has come inside, but Peppa wants another ride. On her bike, she zooms so fast, through the park having a blast. Daddy Pig, with a silly grin, races Peppa and he wins. They laugh and cheer, having a race, with big smiles on every face. Peppa Pig loves her friends, Suzy Sheep joins in again. Rebecca Rabbit hops so tall, they have a picnic, sharing it all. Candy Cat meows with cheer, Freddy Fox is playing near. Zoe Zebra says, let's run around. In a circle they dance on the ground. Madame Gazelle teaches class, Peppa learns and has a blast. Counting numbers 1, 2, 3. Look at me, so smart, says she. It's time to paint with colors bright. Peppa's picture looks just right. She draws her house, her family too, with skies so clear and oceans blue. Peppa Pig says let's all play, jumping up in the best way. Muddy puddles, here we go, splashing high and splashing low. Mommy Pig says time for tea, Peppa runs so happily, with biscuits, cakes and juice so sweet. She sits right down and starts to eat. After dinner, it's time for bed. Peppa's tired, her cheeks are red. She brushes her teeth all nice and clean, ready to jump into her dream. Peppa Pig dreams of fun, playing games and chasing the sun. With George, Mommy, Daddy too, they fly up high in sky so blue. Morning comes, Peppa's awake, another day of fun to make. She calls her friends and off they go, running fast and playing slow. Peppa Pig, she loves to laugh, with her friends on every path, jumping, running, singing too. Peppa Pig knows just what to do.